In Iowa, a woman was charged with public intoxication from being drunk on her front porch. She called the authorities about a domestic altercation, but was arrested after failing the breathalyzer test. The case was challenged and sent to the Iowa Supreme Court.
The Iowa Supreme Court ruled in favor of the defendant, saying her porch was her private property and she was allowed to drink there. But just because it's your porch doesn't mean anything goes. The law changes if you create a public disturbance. Hey, look at me! Even if you're on your own property.
If you get drunk and you start shooting bottle rockets into the street, causing accidents or whatever, then you should be arrested not only for being intoxicated in public, but you also should be arrested for some kind of assault with a deadly weapon.
Being able to see a person on private property doesn't necessarily make their actions public.
Just being intoxicated and being on your porch, you're not in the public because the public's not invited on your porch. And the mere fact that you can be seen there doesn't fit the purpose of the laws.
In Missouri, police can act if a private porch party turns into a public disturbance.
I guess if it's being unruly and out of hand, the police probably, for the protection of your neighbors, have the right to step in on your porch and at least calm it down. But I'm not sure that it should be considered, intoxication and something they could arrest you for.
If I was being a nuisance, I could see their point. Other than that, they have no right, I don't think, to come up here.
If they're getting too loud and I'd either go over and tell them to hold it down. And if they continue to have it wild and all that, then I'd have to call the police.
The lesson could be, if you're planning a private party, make sure you're friends with your neighbors. Adam Waltz, Fox 26, KNPN.